Welcome on the How To. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe for more free how to videos. So now let's go. How to value a company according to industry and competition. How to value a company is one of the most difficult decisions a business owner will make. It's crucial that the decision is made correctly, and the value assigned to a company must be realistic. The most important question to ask is, what is my company worth? Once you know what your company is worth, it is important to determine if you need to raise capital, sell assets, or both. One thing to look at is the book value of the company. Book value is what the book value of the company is based on. One of the keys to how to value a company based on its book value is a company must have enough liquidity. In other words, it needs to be able to generate cash flow without having to pay off outstanding debt. Liquidity is important because a company has to be able to borrow money in order to finance its operations, and this means that there should not be any outstanding debt that can be deducted. In addition, how to value a company based on its marketability and price is determined by looking at the industry where the company is listed. In the case of a technology business, it is extremely important to make sure the company is listed on the largest stock exchange in the country, because that helps to increase the company's credibility as a business. It is also important to determine how the company performs relative to the industry in which it operates. There are some things to look for when determining the worth of a company. For instance, it is important that the company has been operating for several years and has an established customer base. This can be difficult to determine for a startup company, so it is important that they find out the answer to this question before going to any sort of valuation analysis. Another important thing to consider when determining the worth of a company is how long it has been around, because this is going to give you some idea of its longevity. Another important consideration in determining the value of a company is competition. Because some businesses are more successful than others, their market share will affect how much value they are going to get. Knowing this information will help you make your decision about what to do with the company. How to value a company based on the size of the market also goes along with how to value a company based on competition. If there is little competition in a particular industry, then the company may not be worth as much. A company that is too large and has a lot of competition may be undervalued. To find out how to value a company based on competition, it may be necessary to ask the company directly. These are some of the most important questions you need to ask when figuring out how to value a company. It is important to know what your company is worth, but it's even more important to find out what it's worth against other companies that are in that industry. It is important to find out how you can improve the value of the company in order to justify a higher bid on your business. Doing so will help you ensure that your business gets the best return on your investment. To find out what a company is worth, it is essential that you ask these questions. Once you figure out the value of your business, you will be able to negotiate a contract or purchase agreement that gives you the best possible terms for a business. When looking for information on how to value a company, you should also look at its history. Some companies are relatively stable, while others are on shaky ground. Knowing what a company is doing right and what it is not doing is vital to determining its worth. Also, knowing what the company is offering in terms of a contract and purchase agreement, as well as what it is asking for, is also very important to determine the value of a company. All in all, finding out how to value a company based on industry and competition is very important, because it will help you get the best deal for your business. By taking the time to do your homework, you will be able to provide your company with the highest possible return on its investment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more how to.